Hello, everyone. My name is Coach Martinez. I'm honored to be speaking in front of you, amazing coaches, at this fabulous convention. As you guys may know, I'm the Long Beach City College soccer coach. I've been the coach for that team for 10 years already. And there's this ongoing epidemic of ankle injuries, more specifically, ankle sprain injuries. And I want to talk about ways we as coaches can help out with this situation. So, according to data from an NCAA injury surveillance program, it indicated that ankle injuries are the most common amongst college soccer players. There was a report done from 2004 to 2005 and even going on towards 2013 and 2014 that reported at least over 2,068 ankle injuries occurred from around 1 million athlete exposures. Athlete exposures being practices, games, or even other physical activities regarding the sport and their training sessions. And that roughly equals around 1.5 ankle injuries for every 1,000 athlete exposures. Three of the most common ankle injuries included inversion ankle sprains, eversion ankle sprains, and high ankle sprains. Each of these injuries can be prevented and can be treated easily by following certain procedures. And I want to talk a little bit more about the types of ankle sprains, get you guys to know a little bit more about them. Inversion ankle sprains are one of the most common. They refer to the inward rotation of the anterior talofibular ligament. It's also referred to as rolling your ankle inwards. And eversion ankle sprains are around 5 to 10% of ankle sprains, less common than inversion ankle sprains. They refer to the outward rotation of the ligaments, causing that tear. High ankle sprains refer to any sprain of ligaments that are above the ankle joint, causing the tears above the ankle joint. And they're also common in professional athletes, not just college athletes. As we see in this example, this player stepped wrong and he's caused an inversion ankle sprain, and can also be caused by contact. As we see in this example, the player is getting kicked in his ankle, causing his foot to go into an inversion rotation, causing the tear of the ligament. And I also want to talk about the severity of these types of injuries. The ankle sprains are classified into three types of grades. Grade 1's referred to as sort of a mild tear. It's not as severe as the other ones. It's a light tearing. There's mild tenderness on the area, but the ability to walk is still there. You're still able to walk fine with this grade of ankle sprains. And grade 2 ankle sprains referred to as a little bit more severe of an injury. It comes with a bruising and swelling, not a severe swelling, but it's also not a complete tear of it, but it becomes difficult to walk on as there's a lot of tension and pain on it. Grade 3 ankle sprain is one of the most severe, the worst of the worst. It refers to as a complete tear of the ligaments, and it causes extreme swelling and must be taken care of immediately, as the ankle is not able to support the person's weight anymore. So walking is not an option. Walking on that ankle is not an option, and certain precautions must be taken to take care of the sort of type of injury. I want to talk about now the ways we can prevent these types of injuries. Um, Ways we can prevent it are by stretching before and after practice or any kind of physical activity. Um, will help you stay on the safe side and prevent these types of injuries. Uh, Including a little bit more of strengthening ankle exercises, such as like balancing on Bosu balls, uneven boards, rocker boards, or even stretching out those ankles and um, doing some sort of like exercise that strengthens the ankles, like pushing against, like putting your foot against the wall or something, or pushing towards it. Also, the the types of shoes that you wear also plays a part in this. Choosing the right shoes for you, the right athletic shoes for you, is a great way to prevent it, as some shoes can get old and worn out and can cause a lot of issues with the ankle. Um, for soccer players, there's ankle support cleats, like this example right here, the Nike ankle support cleats. It provides great ankle support. It helps cause less inversion or eversion of the ankle, and help out to prevent these injuries. Now I want to talk about rehabilitation of these if it were to occur to someone. First and foremost, we must apply RICE, which is rest the area. Don't put no pressure on it. Don't put strain on it. No tension on it. Ice it immediately. Apply not too much force, but just enough force to like calm down the area. Elevate it as soon as possible. Techniques also include manual therapy to increase the mobility. Uh, Flexibility exercises can also help out with an ankle sprain. Also, using foam rollers can also help out, stretch out the ligaments and help them recover back to normal strength. And it's very important that an athlete with an ankle sprain may gets at least 80 to 90% of their normal ankle strength back before returning to their high intensity training. And by following these procedures, it'll help prevent any future ankle sprains, and simply being more aware, preventing these ankle sprains. And I just want to thank you guys for listening. Thank you.